In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI Scene React in CapCut. Let's get started. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add the video to the track, go to the AI media in the toolbar, and select AI dialog scene. From the available options, tap on the React. You'll notice that this feature currently only supports photos, so first, we need to create a still image of our video. Move the playhead to the frame you want to animate, then tap Export Still Frame above the preview window. CapCut will save the frame as an image. After that, return to the timeline and use the Split tool to cut the section where you want the AI reaction to appear. Now, go to the AI dialog scene. This time, upload the still frame you exported earlier. CapCut will automatically analyze the image. Once the processing is complete, you can start creating the reaction. From here, you have two options. The first option is to type your own reaction idea in the text box. The second option is to select the ready-made reaction presets available inside CapCut. After selecting your preferred reaction, select the duration of your generated clip. Keep in mind that longer duration may require more CapCut credits. Once everything looks good, tap the Generate button. CapCut will now process your request and create AI reaction automatically. After the generation is complete, preview the video. As you can see, CapCut transformed a single photo into animated reaction scene using AI. Once satisfied, tap the Export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully created an AI scene react animation in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!